If you want to quickly invite members into your workspace in Gamma, this tutorial will walk you through the easiest way to do it right from your dashboard. Whether you're working with a team, collaborating with a client, or just getting a few people added to your workspace, this process is simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. First, log into Gamma and wait for your dashboard to load. Once you're inside, look toward the upper left side of the screen where you can see your workspace name. This is where Gamma keeps your workspace controls. Next, click the small down arrow right next to your workspace name. When the menu opens, look for the option that says Invite Teammates. Click that, and Gamma will bring up the invitation options for your workspace. At this point, you'll usually see two different ways to invite people. The first option is to type in their email address. This is a great choice if you want to invite someone directly, and make sure the request goes straight to their inbox. Just enter the email address, send the invitation, and they'll receive the invite link or request to join your workspace. The second option is to invite them with a workspace link. This is often the fastest method, especially if you want to share access with multiple people quickly. Copy the link, send it to your team, and anyone with a link can use it to join, depending on your workspace settings. If you're managing a team, this is a really efficient way to get everyone in without having to send separate invitations one by one, and that's really all there is to it. From your Gamma dashboard, you can invite members into your workspace in just a few clicks, saving time and making collaboration much easier. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.